Welcome to the Bright Career Academy Inter College, founded by the chairman Sri Rajesh Kumar Singh in 2013, with the vision of Shiksha and Sanskar. As you step in the Bright Career Academy Inter College, a vision to soar high, the power to think clearly, the power to act well in the world's work, and the power to appreciate life prepares a generation capable of educating oneself in all stages of life, imparts quality education within affordable means with committed, energetic, meticulous, reliable, and hardworking teachers. Let Bright Career Academy Inter College embraces and works onto the dream of taking the students to the pinnacle of success. Bright Career Academy Inter College, with the remarkable infrastructure, lush, green, extensive campus, helps in imparting high-quality comprehensive education and helps the students to attain a prosperous career. Bright Career Academy Inter College is a renowned school of the area. It is known for its great achievements. It imparts the students to become creative, flexible, and responsible in their communities and in the world. As we enter in the building, we find the prodigious statue of Goddess Ma Saraswati, who gives her blessings to everyone. The entire extensive area of the school has all the modern and worthwhile facilities. Then we come across the school office and the reception area, which is equipped with modern software to maintain school records and coordinate with the parents and to greet the visitors. Let's have a glance into the pre-primary wing of school. Just as nature nourishes the saplings and blooms it into a plant, likewise, the blooming birds are nourished here in a congenial environment. It has been designed in a way to provide the toddlers to learn through the play-based strategy, thereby laying a sound foundation. All the teachers and the administrators in the kindergarten realizes that they have high-level care duty. Now let us visit the primary section. It focuses the full and harmonious development of the children. The vibrant education system enhances the learning and understanding of the concepts. The smart classes help the students to faster learning process and assist in developing 21st century skills, and also it develops creative and critical thinking. Bright Career Academy Inter College not only works for academics, but it also works for spiritual, moral, cultural, mental, and physical development of the pupils in a school and society by conducting plethora of co-curricular activities. Let's have a glance at the junior wing of the Bright Career Academy Inter College, where the students are brimming with energy and helps to develop highly motivated and lifelong learners. The walls of the schools are blooming future. All these walls form culture, compassion, capital, and content. The school helps them to recognize their capabilities and maximize their individual potential in all areas of curriculum. Now, let us have a glimpse at the senior secondary section of Bright Career Academy Inter College. The curriculum emphasizes an achieving subject-based objectives. The concept of different disciplines are dealt depth and riser the focus is on the self-learning and experiential learning so that the students are prepared to take a college learning in the future. Bright Career Academy Inter College offers the science stream, art stream and commerce stream. To foster deep learning, the school is equipped with highly developed science laboratories, the high-tech computer labs for the students to advance and to gain confidence in their technological skills. The activity room, the music room helps the students to seek and to extend aesthetically, culturally, morally, physically and spiritually. The safe and spacious playground with appropriate colorful swings make a happy and a blissful environment. The children obtain vast variety of physical benefits like improved flexibility and balance, strong muscles, improved instincts, improved immune function and more importantly, it breaks the monotony and boosts the student to proceed. The most highlighting feature of our school is the magnificent, advanced and high-tech Srimati Lalli Devi Auditorium, where special assemblies, functions, indoor sports are organized. It is the right place for any social, cultural and educational activity in a nutshell. With vibrant ambience and the amenities in the auditorium, we used to organize celebrations and recreational activities. If we talk about the security and the safety of the students, the entire campus is surrounded by strong walls, having strong gates. There are alert and vigilant guards on duty, which is on 24/7. The building is equipped with high-resolution CCTV cameras at the gates and as well as in each classroom, corridors and laboratories. We have also installed small fire extinguishers so as to control small fire outbreaks by using it. Following all the norms, authorities easily avoid any major disaster and damage to the school properties apart from the amenities mentioned. Bright Career Academy also ensures proper hygiene